Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. It's time for us to eat once again, and I'm going to take you to a restaurant that I'm very, very happy has finally opened up in the UAE. Now, this is a restaurant that's come in all the way from New York. It's a restaurant called Junoon. In fact, this restaurant is owned by a very dear friend of mine called Rajesh Bharadwaj, who I met in New York for the first time. And the culinary ambassador for this restaurant is none other than the best-looking young Indian chef, Master Chef Vikas Khanna. In fact, we will be meeting both of them on the show. They're both inside, so you and I need to just turn and walk. So this is Rajesh Bharadwaj, the owner of Junoon, and I've got to tell you, I met him in New York, right? And he invited us to his restaurant. He pampered us with some very, very good food. And the only question I had in mind at that time was that if you have a Junoon in New York, why not Dubai? And tell me, my question is the reason why we have Junoon in Dubai now.
Well, part of that, but I'm going to be very honest, not entirely.
Oh, damn.
You know, when we're thinking of expanding Junoon outside to try and create into an, like an international brand, so thinking of, a lot of cities we had shortlisted, which we felt were, very cosmopolitan up there. But every time we narrowed it down, Dubai sort of, hit the nail, being, fastest growing city, very multicultural, trade and business hub, and sort of a draw for tourism. So if you put all the elements together, it automatically became a choice for the first extension of the Junoon brand outside New York. So
now, tell me one more thing, Rajesh. Now, the little that I know you, you're a guy who I think works with a lot of passion, right? You're involved in every small detail of the restaurant. How do you think Junoon is different from the others? What sets it apart?
we want to create something of an international standard where the plate is Indian, but every other element is at a level of any other top-notch restaurant in a different cuisine. So it's the experience of dining which is different.
I think that's really well said. It's a little complicated to understand. So what we're going to do to understand this very, very complicated mission statement is that we're going to try the food. And what we're also going to do is meet the culinary ambassador of this wonderful restaurant, Junoon. So all the ladies, you've got to get set. Hold on to your screens. Our next shot is going to be the culinary ambassador of Junoon. Okay, so we've got the man in action. Finally, ये बात पक्की हो चुकी है कि he is a chef. I've got to tell you this, chef, that my mom didn't or doesn't think you're a chef. She thinks you're a model जो food show पे आता है. And so much so she said, ये कितना सोना मुंडा है, इसकी शादी करा देते हैं तेरी बहन से. But now you don't have to worry. My sister is already married. So, chef, welcome to the show.
Welcome to Junoon.
Such a pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
You are India's best-looking young chef.
Young तो नहीं हूँ मैं, but good looking भी नहीं हूँ, but at least I'm proud that I can take Indian food little far.
Oh, you've taken Indian food to the next level for sure. There's no doubt. I am looking forward to the food as well. And हमने ये सोचा कि before we sit and taste his food, we're going to catch him in action and ask him what he's actually doing. What's the magic that goes behind Vikas Khanna's food? So आपको मुझे बताना है कि हम खाने क्या वाले हैं? I guess ये हम खाने वाले हैं. What is this and आप कर क्या रहे हैं?
ये जी एक नाइस वर्जन ऑफ पनीर भुर्जी है. हिंदुस्तान में पनीर भुर्जी बनाते हैं हम प्याज भून के, पनीर डाल के, क्रम्बल करके, साथ में टमाटर डाल के, मसाले डाल के. तो इसी का वर्जन है. हियर वी आर यूजिंग शैलोट्स, क्रम्बल्ड फ्रेश पनीर विद लिटिल बिट ऑफ पोटैटोज. तो साथ में वी आर पुटिंग ग्रीन चिलीज एंड वेरी लाइट हिंट ऑफ स्टार एनीस.
Okay.
So that becomes your base of the stuffing. And instead of adding tomatoes to this mixture, टमाटर के अंदर स्टफ़ किया हमने और फिर इसे हम कोट करेंगे बहुत ही मज़ेदार मसाले के साथ. इसमें हंग योगर्ट है, फिर से थोड़ा स्टार एनीस है, नींबू और लहसुन है.
तो इन्होंने बुर्जी में टमाटर नहीं डाला है, टमाटर में बुर्जी डाल दी है. That's why he's Vikas Khanna, right? We're going to try this at the table.
That's all. अब इसे हम करेंगे बहुत एक इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रीटमेंट. जो सॉस होगी नीचे वो होगी प्याज की और लहसुन की सॉस है, वो उसके नीचे देंगे. साथ ही में देंगे हम थोड़ा सा एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक कंकॉक्शन है मेथी के तेल की.
मेथी का तेल?
हाँ, आप थोड़ा टेस्ट कीजिए.
बड़ी डेडली सा इसका स्वाद है इसमें मेथी का,
स्ट्रॉन्ग।
बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग।
तो देखिए तकरीबन 20 किलो मेथी में से इतना सा तेल निकलता है। मुझे लगता है कि हिंदुस्तानी खाना जो है वो इंद्रधनुष की तरह, यानी कि रेनबो की तरह, हर रंग में अपनी ताकत है, जान है, रूह है, उसकी अपनी पहचान है। All the flavors, all the colors should be separate, yet they should all bind together. And I feel that is what Indian food has the power to do.
Okay, so next we will be eating a lot of Indian food with a very good looking Indian chef.
We'll be eating Indradhanush.
Okay, so this is going to be one meal that I'm going to remember. खाना बनाया इन्होंने है, सर्व ये कर रहे हैं, एंड खाना भी इन्हीं के साथ है. What a day this is, chef.
I am a horrible server.
Okay,
बड़ा कुछ गिराता रहता हूँ मैं, कुछ किसी को सर्व करूँ,
this is not
पर
bad.
लोग कहते हैं नहीं you served with so much love, it's okay. तो ये हमारी होगी पनीर की स्टफिंग इन अ स्क्वाश.
Beautiful, nice, प्यारा सा पनीर, a little bit of bite with the squash, and I love this sauce on the side. ये हल्की सी जो ग्रेवी है, beautiful.
One thing I always believed in, that there should be never anything which has been pre-ground. It has to be done at the same time when you're using it. So in this masala you can taste that खड़ा मसाला, जैसे आपका धनिया है, freshly lightly ground है. ये हमारी एक बहुत सिग्नेचर डिश है. ये लैम पसंदा का वर्जन है हमारा. इसमें क्या करते हैं हम, लैम को कुक करते हैं बहुत स्लो हीट पे, जैसे होना चाहिए. बाद में उसे पुल करते हैं, जैसे आप पुल्ड लैम होता है. फिर उसे हम पैटीज बना के पैन सीयर करते हैं, कुछ ऐसे. एंड दैट इज आवर वर्जन ऑफ लैम पसंदा.
Beautiful stuff. Chef, I swear बड़ा मज़ा आ गया है.
मुझे लगता है कि सेम डिश नज़र आए कि ना आए, टेस्ट वही होना चाहिए. वो प्लेट नहीं खा सकते, प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं खा सकते, खाना खाते हैं. वो टेस्ट कहीं ना कहीं मेमोरी वोक करनी चाहिए. उसके फ्लेवर्स की सिंपलिसिटी, ऑनेस्टी, दे शुड फील इट. गौरव, मुझे लगता है कि हिंदुस्तानी खाना इतना भव्य है, इतना इनफाइनाइट है कि 10-12 जन्म भी काफ़ी नहीं है उसको जानने के लिए.
You know, that might actually be very, very true. And आपको सब कुछ जानने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. You have to take advantage of what Chef Vikas Khanna knows about his food, and you have to believe me when I say this. He's an immensely knowledgeable guy. I have enjoyed this meal for its food, and I have enjoyed this meal for the conversation about food that I've had. But to cut the long story short, मैं ये कह रहा था कि आपको दुनिया भर में घूम के इंडियन फूड के बारे में पता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. All you need to do is just pick yourself up and come to Junoon, try the food that I've tried. I'm sure other things on the menu are as good, if not better. But if you want to guarantee a super meal, come here, order this, and every time you come in, you will get the same chart, and every bite I eat is the same taste. I'm loving this. So that's about it. I'm done here with a great meal at Junoon. Next time you're looking for a Indian meal in a different sort of setting, some different flavors, then you know where to go to. And before I leave from here, here's a small gift from Chef Vikas Khanna. I'm going to give you his book, World Feast. इसके लिए आपको करना ये है कि you've got to log on to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/weekendout. Answer the question there, and this personally autographed book can be all yours. It's time for me to make a move, but till I see you next time, एक ही बात याद रखिए, no सवाल, no doubt, सबका solution, Weekend Out.
It's a Take Company production.